Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am B. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain one tool in transformation features. The tool name is Symmetry Features. Okay, what is symmetry? The symmetry tool is used to flip the position of the body about the symmetry plane without creating its instance. To flip the position of the body using this tool, you can choose or activate the tool by using the transformation toolbar. You can see here, this is the transformation features toolbar. In the transformation features, you can see the subtools. First one is translation, second rotation, the third one is symmetry. You can choose symmetry option by using this tool, or another option is you can go to the insert menu, transformation features, and choose symmetry. Uh, when you choose symmetry option, the question message box will be displayed along with the symmetry definition dialog box. Now you can read this sentence, that is, do you really want to keep the transformation specifications? If you do not want to, move your geometry using the compass or 3D constraints. We are applying the symmetry option, so that's why I'm choosing yes. Now the symmetry definition dialog box appear, that means activated. You will be prompted to select the reference point, line or plane. You can apply the symmetry with respect to point or line or plane. uh, Now I'm going to select a point. Let us see the first one, that is point. Okay, on a part body, I am choosing a reference point is uh, this point. Now click on OK. You can see the resultant part body with respect to point symmetry. Now once again choose symmetry option. Okay, in this case I am going to choose a line or edge. You can see here I am choosing this edge of a given drawn part body. Now click on OK. This is the resultant part body with respect to uh, symmetry with respect to edge or line. Let us see the third one, that is with respect to plane. Now once again choose this symmetry option. Okay, now I'm choosing with respect to ZX plane. Now click on OK. You can see here, this is the symmetry with respect to ZX plane. This is the brief explanation about creating symmetry features with respect to point, line or plane in CATIA V5 software. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.